Subscribe to Get Curried and click on the bell icon for more updates.
Mutton pulao can be really tedious to cook, but today I'm going to show you how to make it very quickly and in 2 easy steps in a pressure cooker. So the first step of this recipe is to cook the mutton. I'm creating a stock, a flavoursome stock, for which I've got 3 cups of water, which is just heating up in this pressure cooker. Now I'm going to create a bouquet garni, which is French for simply potli, with all the spices, which is just going to flavour our mutton stock really well. So to this muslin cloth, I'm going to add 3 bay leaves, 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds, about 8 cloves, 20 peppercorns, about 5 cardamom pods, 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds, 2 cinnamon sticks, 2 star anise, 1 mace, and 2 onions that have just been cut in half. Two-inch pieces of ginger, about 5 cloves of garlic, 2 Kashmiri red chilies, and 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds. Now you just need to tie this up into a tight little potli. So make it nice and snug and just place it in this water. And now to this, I'm going to add the star of this dish, 500 grams of mutton. Make sure that it's all submerged in the water. Everything is nice and snug here. Now to this, I'm going to add salt, because remember what we're creating is a really nice and flavoursome stock. So it needs salt. Now this is all started to simmer. So I'm just going to cover this with the lid and cook this for about 8 whistles. Mutton cooking time can really vary, so I'm going to start with 8 whistles on a high flame if you're cooking this on a gas, or on an induction at 1000 watts. It's been 8 whistles and I've now let the steam release naturally from the pressure cooker, so we can open it up. Oh, lovely. And as you can see, the mutton is cooked really well. It's become a little soft. I'm going to take out the mutton pieces and just put them in this bowl here. And now I'm just going to drain all the liquid out of this bouquet garni. Just squeeze it to the side of the pressure cooker, and it's time to take that out. And just drain out this beautiful stock. This is a 1-pot recipe, so I'm going to move on to cooking the pulao in this. To this, I'm going to add about a tablespoon of ghee and a tablespoon of oil. And just let that heat up slightly. So I'm just going to sear the mutton pieces in this now. Love that sizzle. That's it, just stir fry it slightly. Take the mutton out now. Now just add all the khada masalas. Again, I'm going to add 1 bay leaf, about 4 cloves, 1 Kashmiri red chili, 1 cinnamon stick, 3 cloves of green cardamom, and 1 black cardamom. Just bash these up. Now just add this to the fragrant oil here. To this, I'm going to add 1 onion that's been finely sliced. The onions are nearly golden now. So I'm going to add all the other ingredients that I need to add immediately, which is about half a teaspoon of cumin seeds and half a teaspoon of ginger paste, half a teaspoon of garlic paste, 1 green chili that's been slit in half. Stir all of these in and cook it till the raw smell of the ginger and garlic goes away. To this, I'm going to add 1 tomato that's just been roughly chopped up. It's slightly chunky. A 1/4 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1/2 teaspoon of garam masala, and 1/2 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1/2 teaspoon of red chili powder, and a little bit of salt, and let all of this just cook with the tomatoes. It's time to add the mutton back into this pan and just mix it with the masala so that it's really well coated in all the spices. To this, I'm going to add 1 cup of basmati rice that was soaking in water for about half an hour. And now I've drained the water out and I'm just adding it. Coat it again with the spices and the mutton. Now I'm going to add 1.5 cups of the stock. Juice of half a lemon. Bring this to a slight simmer and then cover and cook this for 1 whistle on 1000 watts if you're cooking this on an induction like me, or high flame if you're cooking it on a gas flame. After 1 whistle, I've turned the induction off and let the steam release naturally. So now it's time to check on our mutton pulao. Oh, and that's beautiful. I'm just going to serve up this mutton pulao because I'm ready to tuck into it. You saw just how simple it is to make mutton pulao in a pressure cooker or one-pot dish. I really hope you'll try this recipe soon, and when you do, leave a comment and subscribe to Get Curried for loads more such pressure cooker recipes.